Huh. But it does freak me out, and I'm trying to act really calm about it. Like, probably one shot.
Used to get my hair done, used to have my nails long, used to wearing makeup every
I feel like we haven't done a vlog just to vlog and chat and do an update. I forgot to do the 5-month baby update, so I'm just gonna do like a 5-6 month because it is her half birthday today. She is officially 6 months, which is crazy because I feel like I just had you. And we're going to have her first food, her first baby led weaning food. I did kind of start at purees because my pediatrician said at 4 months, like, she's good to go. A lot of you guys gave me suggestions just to like look into other options, and so she did have some vegetable purees. I even did rice cereal. If I could go back in time, I would have just waited until now. You live and you learn. And so today we're gonna do her first food. I obviously need to clean up. Do we see the baby handprints on this mirror? I really need to get to that. But if you are wondering about our outfits now, she is in a kite baby romper. They're like my favorite zip up or snap pajamas. And then I have little socks from Target. These are my favorite socks. Her hat is from Zara. Look how flippin' cool. And then as always, I'm just still obsessed with Aerie, Urban Outfitters, and Free People. It's literally all I wear ever. The top is Free People, the jacket is Aerie, the pants are Urban, the slippers were my Christmas gift from Cody from Free People. I definitely want another family photo because I feel like it's been 3 months since I've had a family photo. I feel like our best option is just getting them in this mirror. Okay, I do have to be super honest and show the hot mess that is actually happening and giving me such anxiety right now. No, this is not normal. We just got a new fridge, and so everything that was like in it or on it is either on that table, and then we actually had to hook up water. It left us with a leak that we now have to figure out. So everything that was under there is now everywhere. And I don't know if you've ever moved a fridge that has been there for like years and then saw what was underneath it and behind it, but now that's like on our floor. I'm definitely having a moment, but I'm trying to stay calm, and it can be cleaned and it can be fixed. And Cody actually just took Arrow on a little trip. He had to make a quick errand run, and I'm gonna take care of this. I'm gonna clean this. Now we have to get squished down for a nap, and then we can do a little lunch. So we put the bib on, and then we put the harness on. Look how cute. One arm in, squishy.
You just give her a banana?
Bib.
Don't you just give her a banana?
Are you being funny right now? Hold on, let mommy get her banana. Let mommy get her banana. Oh, yum. Is it good? The banana.
The yummy?
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Do you want a banana too? Okay. Look at us. You want more? You want more? You want more banana? Oh wow, that's a big nana. Mmm.
Bartender.
I'm gonna call that a success for now, guys. I feel like that went really well. It's definitely scary. Really glad I took the courses I did. I took Feeding Littles and I took Happy Healthy Eaters. They're pretty similar. I do feel like Happy Healthy Eaters has really good recipes. Obviously not like to start right now, but a little bit later. I'll put both down below if you want to check them out. But it definitely helps you with figuring out what foods are safe, how to cut them, like the shape that I did so she can hold it and eat it. And also there's like a whole section on gagging, what that looks like, because we did see some gagging here, which is, it's okay, that's what happens. A natural response that is their way of protecting themselves. Okay, I think we're done. One more thing I can show you that is different is a playroom. This space in our house was kind of just wasted, and we realized there's like a lot of items when you have a baby that just kind of clutter your house. So we wanted everything in kind of like one space. Okay, she wants to show you. Well, first we have a baby gate because she is crawling backwards, so I feel like forwards is gonna happen soon. Okay, so real quick, Target cushions, Home Goods cushions, New Loom rug from Amazon. This, so cute, was a gift. And the theme is kind of like boho, colorful. We have these softer mats here for her to roll on. This is from Love Every, curtains from Home Goods. This was actually a gift from Cody's family, but it's been perfect in here, and I did relabel it. So we have like baby wipes in here. It's just like baby miscellaneous. This is nursing stuff. It's mostly just nursing pads, I feel like, and bras. We have extra toys in here. We have extra diapers in here. This, I think, is just like baby blankets. These are bath extras. You're very talkative today, boo-boos. Let's talk about this hack right here, because I feel like it would work in any space, not just a playroom, nursery, but anywhere that has an unsightly router or all this like equipment that has to be in this room. We got this like regular chest from Home Goods, and then Cody just drilled a hole in the back, so everything is nicely hidden. I was just in a nap battle for way too long, and now I'm super tired. Boobs are drained. Gotta take this, also this, and this. I feel like it's getting a little excessive how many things I am taking a day, but I don't know, there's a reason for everything, and it's really just breastfeeding. Honestly, I think formula feeding is really hard too, because you have to do like sanitizing, cleaning, bottles, mixing, knowing exactly how much formula. It's a whole thing too, so props to you moms who formula feed too. The other thing I'm doing is for myself, I am 6 months postpartum as well. And this is gonna be the first time really that I'm working out. I started running at 5 months lightly, like 10-15 minutes, but just to get active, and that's what made me realize that something wasn't right with my body. I went to the doctor, and I do have Diastasis Recti. I'm still probably saying it wrong, but I have it. Which, if you don't know, just means that during pregnancy, your abs separate, which is normal, but postpartum, they didn't come back together. So just up here and down here, I have to do exercises to get my abs to actually meet again. Usually you would see a physical therapist to bring your abs back together, but because of everything that's going on right now, I opted to do an at-home program. I did just start it like yesterday, so I'm not gonna recommend it yet, but I will show you a little bit of what I learned. Okay, never mind, Arrow just woke up. Wow, who did a full roll? I don't think you've ever done that. No? You're just gonna roll away from me? Wow. Oh.
Did you get that on film?
Yeah. I'm so sorry. It is the next day. I kind of just like ate and chilled and totally forgot to do the 5-6 month baby update. Let me pop you down and we can do a little recap. If you've never seen one of my updates, I love these updates, but don't ever compare your baby to my baby, because every baby, every mom, every pregnancy, every postpartum is so different. These are mostly just for fun and for me to look back so I don't forget all the little milestones. Huh. I usually start with like a weight update, but she's actually going to the doctor tomorrow, so I have no clue as of right now. I'm gonna guess she's like 17.9 pounds, but I'll put the actual weight on screen that I find out tomorrow. We'll see how accurate I am. I just know my arms get tired. To quickly sum up the 5 month, because I missed it, I just put she has long awake windows now. They were like getting up to 2 hours. Now she has 2 hour, 2 hour, 2.5, 2.5 or 3. She was doing 4 naps a day at 4 months, and now she's doing 3 naps a day. This is also when we started naps in the crib, and now she's fully sleeping in the crib. Let's just hop into her 6 months because she is really trying to grab the camera, which is probably one of her new favorite things to do. It's just to like lean forward and grab at things. And pretty much yesterday we swapped her clothing from the 3 to 6 month to 6 to 12. This is 6 to 12, and I believe the brand is Little Bipsy. So cute. I honestly couldn't believe she fit into it because I remember getting this as a gift and looking at it and being like, well, this is gonna go in the year bin because it's huge. And now she already fits. She is sleeping through the night. I won't go too much in detail because I'm gonna make a whole baby sleep everything video, just like I did my breastfeeding everything video. Oh, she's gonna eat my finger. Her other big milestone is she's not crawling, but she's pushing herself backwards, and I googled it and it says when babies' arms are stronger than their legs, they end up pushing backwards first, which she's totally doing. It makes sense because her tummy time is insane. Okay, she's obviously ready to play. She's over the update, but thank you for doing this with me. We're gonna look back one day and you're gonna love it, I promise. That is everything. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. If you're not, subscribe and join our family and grow with us, and we will see you guys next week. Bye!
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you grew up